I woke up in the middle of the night. And I wondered how you're always right. It gets me. I couldn't see what you saw in me. Ooh, na na na. But you showed me how to believe. Still gets me. When I look back, I can see you're hiding, waiting for a moment to step in. And I'll never understand how you saw it coming. Oh, but I will love you for it all. Yeah, I will love you for it all.
Hi there, Lindsey here. I haven't had my coffee yet, so I don't have my pep in my step yet, but I'm about to make it. I thought that we would just do a vlog of our day because we haven't done that in so long. The kids just woke up. Hopefully they have pants on, but Audrey was back there singing. Do you have pants on?
Yes.
Okay, we're good. But I'm going to show you guys how we make our pancakes. Jay, what do you think about my pancakes?
Good.
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 2 thumbs up.
If you have a Cracker Barrel in your area, they're as good or better than that, because you know what their pancakes are like. What do you think about my pancake? Good morning.
Good morning, people. Good.
They're good? Okay. You want some?
Yep.
Okay.
Let's syrup.
Okay. Deal.
You tell me you're scared. You tell me you're weak. But I know you're stronger than what you think. And I know it's hard. It's rough, but we'll make it through, and I'll back you up. Wherever you're going, I'm going too. I'll follow you through the and the blue. Whatever the mountain, we'll climb to the next. Honey, I'm with you through life and to death. You tell me you're nervous. You say you're afraid. I wish you could see that. I think you're brave. And if it all falls, if it all breaks, I'll still be here. We'll fix these mistakes.
did end up bolting. I knew it would, but it's flowering now, so I'm gonna save the seed off of it because I can do that because I've got Rebel Gardens heirloom seeds. So I'm definitely gonna save my seeds for next year. You see I'm battling weeds. I bought some more landscaping fabric to put down, and I think I'm gonna have a load of mulch delivered. Saved up for that, and I'm gonna get that. I picked my first cucumber this week, and look, we got some more. Looky there, lots of little cucumber. And here, look at that one. That one's ready. I need to harvest my radishes and just roast them up or pickle them or whatever I'm gonna do with them. Some of them have gone to seed, which was my plan over here. So for these that have already gone to seed, I'm just gonna collect the seeds off of those and then pull the rest of them. I've got a couple carrots coming up. A lot of my carrot seeds didn't come up. I used some old seeds from last year. You guys want to know a really sad story? I don't know if you saw it, but I did a vlog where it was a really, really stinking hot day, and I went out there and I planted 70 tomato plants out in the row garden. There's only 10 plants left. 60 of those 70 plants disappeared. There's no hide, nor hair, nor stem, nor leaf left of them. I didn't see any deer tracks, so I'm assuming that it may have been a rabbit. I don't know, but yeah, all my tomato plants are gone. Except there's 10 of them left out there, but I do have 30 in here. So I guess I can't really complain because 30 plants is probably more than enough for me. I just wanted to be able to share. I need to film a cleaning video today, so I think I'm gonna go put some makeup on.
Hey darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city, let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey. Come on now and take my hand.
I got some for you.
Hey!
You got some on my leg.
Working from home, taking a break. Alright, move.
Do it again.
No, what's the time? One. I gotta get mommy now.
No!
Middle of the night when the stars are bright, pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive.
Kids were outside playing in the rain,
Yep.
and then it started lightning, so they had to come in.
Yeah.
And this guy's afraid of thunder. That guy don't care about nothing. Do you, buddy? Yeah. She's not afraid. But look at this. Oh, my big buddy. Can y'all believe that? He's in the house. That's Hector. He's our Pyrenees. He's usually outside only, but he's like terrified of thunder, so we let him in when it's thundering.
Yeah.
Poor little buddy. It's a dark, nasty day, but I still need to clean the house and film it, so I need to put some music on and get it done. What are you doing?
If it rains, it'll just rain on this.
So Audrey put a popsicle on her head and let it melt a while ago. So that's gonna be fun, getting that out later.
Dry. And I don't like it dry. I want it like this.
Yeah, we have to shampoo it.
Look at it like this.
Yeah.
So we're gonna run a tag, get some pizzas because Lindsey don't feel like cooking.
We're gonna go grab some pizza because sometimes we have pizza for dinner. Gotta do what you gotta do. Right, Daddy? No. Lazy. Did y'all hear that? Y'all know better. You see what I do. We were supposed to have teriyaki chicken, and I even thawed out chicken, and then what's the problem? What's happening?
This is us leaving to go somewhere. Hey, just put your boots on.
Where are you going?
We're gonna get pizza.
My kids don't like surprises. Can you tell we've skipped nap time today? Anyway, we were really wanting chicken teriyaki bowls, like with rice and broccoli. But I couldn't find any broccoli. You know, my garden broccoli failed. And I thought I had some in the freezer, but it turns out I did not. So we were out of luck and out of broccoli. So we were gonna have to go to the store anyway. I was like, if I have to go to the store, let's just get pizza. I can always get Jay with pizza, as long as I promise to get him a Supreme.
You tell me you're scared. You tell me you're weak. But I know you're stronger than what you think. And I know it's hard. It's rough, but we'll make it through, and I'll back you up. Wherever you're going, I'm going too. I'll follow you.
The kitties are tucked in bed. It's later than it looks, but came out here. I'll see a tomato plant down. Put that back up. Yeah. I'm gonna have to start tying. It came up a rain a while ago, so I guess that's when that went down, because it wasn't down this morning. But I'm pretty happy with how the tomato plants are looking. The gardens are looking good. The food's looking good. The weeds are not looking good. And I need to get them out of here so I don't have so many pest problems. Helps keep the weeds down in your garden. But I'm about to feed the dogs and then go to bed. May take the goats a little grain. They're looking at me right now. Yeah, I'm gonna come on with it.
Over the mountain, we'll climb to the next. Honey, I'm with you through life and to death. You tell me you're nervous. You say you're afraid. I wish you could see that. I think you're brave. And if it all falls, if it all breaks, I'll still be here.
Cody is killing me with all this trash. I don't know if you remember, but I guess a few months ago we cleaned up the entire yard, got all the trash out of the yard, did a big cleanup, and he's pulled all this out here again. So he can jump the gate on the porch and he'll jump it, get whatever he wants, and jump back off. I don't know what to do with that. Really wanted to get those hummingbird feeders refilled today, but I guess I'll put that on the to-do list for tomorrow. We've had a lot less wasp this year, knock on wood, than we have in previous years, and I've seen it. That's Cody. Okay, so my battery died yesterday and now my lens needs time to adjust. What I was saying, or trying to, is that we've had a lot less wasps than we have before, and I really kind of feel like it's the birds that we've been attracting, because I've put out bird feeders and bird houses, and then of course my hummingbird feeders. Now Jay didn't think that hummingbirds would eat wasp. What do you guys think? Do you think it's the hummingbirds? Maybe. Also, we've done so much work on this garden this week. It's really exciting because it's actually starting to look good, but there's also trash. But check out what I did this morning. These were all just some extra rocks that I brought over from when we had the garden tilled up by Trip H Farm. And I just made a little garden bed. And I just put ornamentals here, so that's just Chinese lanterns. And there's a little lavender there, but I don't think it will grow. But yeah, Chinese lanterns. I'll probably film a little garden tour for you a little later on this week. It'll be like a little bonus video. Just because I got a lot going on out here now, and it's actually starting to look decent. I want to thank you so much for going along with us on our day, and I can't wait to chat with you in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Honey,